If you're a founder or entrepreneur struggling to cut through the noise, this message is for you. We're diving deep into the real reason why your brilliant content might not be converting. Let's start by challenging a popular myth in the online world. Look around your workspace. You've been posting consistently, reading the books, and trying the strategies. Yet, you feel stuck. You review past content, trying to see where you went wrong. The energy is low. The mood is introspective. You're asking, what am I missing? We are taught that the problem is simply content. We think if we just post more, or better, or faster, things will finally click. But the truth is far more foundational than a posting schedule. You're picking up different strategies, throwing things at the wall, hoping something sticks. You feel like you're constantly chasing trends. The harsh reality I learned at Swarigio is most founders don't struggle with content. They struggle with identity. They have a mechanism problem. When your identity is unclear, you fall into the trap of being just another voice. Look at the digital world. It is a blur of tactics, tips, and noise. Everyone is shouting to be heard. When you don't know exactly who you are, what you stand for, or who you repel, your message becomes just that, random, confusing noise that the market instantly tunes out. But there is a path out of the chaos. It begins with alignment. Imagine the clutter gone, the confusion lifted. The visuals become clean, structured, and minimal, representing true alignment. You sit up straight, focused, knowing your direction. Your energy shifts from desperation to quiet confidence. Authority isn't shouted, it is installed. At Swarigio, we help you install the equation for relentless authority. Identity plus a sharp message equals undeniable authority. This is where your predictable system begins. This is where alignment is built, allowing you to stop chasing and start attracting. Here is the final truth you need to internalize about your brand and your growth. You are not an influencer in disguise. You are a category of one. Act like it. When your identity is clear, your audience doesn't need convincing. They recognize you. That recognition is your lead machine. Stop building noise and start building your influence blueprint. Audit now to Swarigio or Vishal Baurai to get started.